Good morning, Lions, and welcome to Glacial Thursday at Linda Elementary School. Yes, glacial because it is freezing out. And I am Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal. And something we could do today that would be a real nice thing is to say a little prayer for these people down in Southern California or send them positive vibes, whatever it is that you do. Just have that compassion for these people that are really struggling, looking for a place to stay, looking for warmth, looking for food. Understand these people are just a few hours away from us. So really just do your best to have that compassion for them. Teachers, thank you very much for getting your lunch count and attendance in. Always really appreciate that. Lions PBIS today, what are the three words? 1, 2, 3. Respectful, responsible, and safe. Everything we're doing is about being respectful, responsible, and safe. So I talked to you about Girls on the Run, Heart and Soul. So we talked about running and being in shape. All good, all very, very important. But remember, Heart and Soul and Girls on the Run is also about inspiring you to achieve goals, to find your voice, to be able to speak up for yourself, to manage stress, foster good friendships, build confidence in yourself, and just to be the best you can be. Girls on the Run and Heart and Soul can help you do that. We talked about the Toothmobile being on site here. That Toothmobile is going to be here tomorrow. They are rolling in right now. I'll tell you what, the Toothmobile is on the roll right now. And if you look right there, it says what? Smiles for miles. What a slogan. Let's look at a couple of birthdays for today. We have Jose Amador. Jose is 9 years old in Mrs. Ortiz's class. Kimran Batra, 8 years old in Mrs. Carlson's class. Nayari George, 7 years old in Mrs. Zelensky's class, and Miracle Yang, greatest miracle on earth, 9 years old in Miss Daniel's class. Happiest birthdays to all of you. You know, I do have to read a couple of roar cards here. So we're going to start with Mrs. Messick recognizing Jaden. Jaden helps a friend read his book more times before quizzing. This is using his time to help others. Great job, Jaden. Super proud of you. Mrs. Edwards is recognizing Javon Oliver. A student struck Javon several times and he didn't fight back. He let an adult handle it. Wow, that is some really great maturity right there, Javon. Super proud of you. Excellent job. Great choice. Zeke is being recognized by, well, Zeke is in Mrs. Lee's class. Mrs. Coughlin here is recognizing him. He's in WIN with Mrs. Coughlin, and he's great. He participates. I appreciate you. Heart, Mrs. Coughlin. Cyrus is also being recognized. Cleaned up a mess that wasn't his. Got a big heart there from Mrs. Coughlin. Silas, great job. And then Jackson is being recognized by Mrs. Coughlin. Always offers help to his classmates. Thank you. Got a big heart there from Mrs. Coughlin. Excellent job, you guys. Everybody there. Okay, let's look at the menu for today. Okay, so the menu today is going to be hamburgers and cheeseburgers and a black bean burger. Those are actually really, really good. Leafy green salad, carrots, potato wedges, and all the fixings that you can expect there from our great cafeteria. So let's talk about a little joke here, Lions, okay? Why are fish so smart? Because they live in schools. All right, everybody, let's stand for the flag salute. Hats off, hoods off, facing the flag, standing straight, hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, great job, Lions. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, be here every day. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, you miss out. And remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.